Ever wonder why objects fall to the ground, why your car slows down when you brake, or why a rope stretches when pulled? These everyday actions are driven by forces like gravity, friction, and tension. Welcome back to. Today we're going to explore these three fundamental forces that shape the way objects move and interact in our world. Let's start with gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward one another. It's what keeps your feet on the ground and what makes objects fall. The formula for gravity is simple: F equals mg, where F is the force of gravity, m is the mass of the object, and g is the acceleration due to gravity, which is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared on Earth. This force is what holds planets in orbit and pulls everything towards the Earth's center. Next, we have friction. Friction is the force that resists the motion of one surface sliding over another. It's what slows your car down when you hit the brakes and why it's harder to push a box across a rough surface than a smooth one. The formula for friction is F friction equals mu n, where mu is the coefficient of friction and n is the normal force, the force perpendicular to the surface. Friction converts some of the energy of motion into heat, which is why things get warmer when rubbed together. Finally, we have tension. Tension is the force exerted along a string, rope, or cable when it's pulled tight. It's what keeps a rope taut when two people pull from opposite ends, and it's the force that holds bridges up using tension cables. The tension force is equal to the force applied to the rope, but tension remains constant along the length of the rope. Gravity, friction, and tension are forces that we encounter every day. They shape how we move, how objects interact, and even how large structures are built. Understanding these forces helps us understand the physical world better, from why a ball falls when dropped to how engineers design bridges that can hold incredible weights. Next time on, we'll dive into Torquay and explain how forces can cause objects to rotate. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe too for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.